Bafowethu. Hayi ake sixoxeni webafowethu. Okokuqala nje okokuqala njengoba nibona omasipala beneyinkinga ezingaka. Uthola omasipala njalo bethola ogcopho kumhloli wamabhuku uAuditor General. It's because zonke lezi zifundiswe esihloniphayo iningi lazo like 90% wabantu abasebenzela omasipala they've never acquired their qualifications in a correct order or in a legit way. That's the truth. Okufanele niyazi. The reason why abantu abafundile can't stand up and fight for the country, it's because thina sazi ukuthi bafundile, whereas azange bephase ngisho ukuphasa. Bakokotela bathenga ama lecturer bathenga wonke umuntu. That's why they can't stand up. You can't tell me you are educated but you can't stand up for the country. What were you getting educated for? What's the reason to go to school? Why are you being diplomatic about a situation that doesn't need diplomacy? Nize nazi bonke laba bantu ababatshazwa ukuthi bafundile. Sino Professor Inqwaba la ezweni who will crack your head when you are sitting with them in the boardroom with bombastic words and ununderstandable explanations, long explanations, but they can't stand up for the country. So sinenkinga yabantu akuthiwa bafundile kodwa ayikho into abayifundele. Into abayifundele is to look down on us. Esisagcine iculture yethu, esisalwela iculture yethu, esisalwela ukuthi ubuntu bethu thina abantu abamnyama, thina abantu abangamanguni bume. You will never see abantu abafundile marching there. They only criticize. That's the only thing they do. They only criticize and they only look down on abantu abafana nathi, where I'm doing things that they cannot do. They can't even make babies. Indoda yonke yomZulu ibe nezingane eziwu2. Umsangano wento. Saba ngisho ukuzala umuntu kodwa uthi ufundile. Wawufundelani? The reason why the politicians can't implement anything, it's because abayiphili impilo eyiqiniso. Lento abayiveza beyiyo lapha kabayona. Abafuni kuba ngamadoda. Ngeke ubafice emakhaya kanje ayivuka ekseni indoda ikhathazekile, ikhathazeke ngezwe, yenza ivideo ekhuthaza abantu bakithi ukuthi lwelani izwe ingane zakithi, I will be there with you. Ngeke besebenza, but they calling themselves abaholi. What are you leading? What are you leading, bafowethu? Now we've stood up, bafowethu. We are fighting for the country. We are asking for donations. We are asking for support. No, you won't get support. You'll get a leader coming out and saying, no, don't touch the foreigners. We need to document them. Document them where, bafowethu? Document them where? You unomholi, who's aspiring to be the president of the country, saying you can't deal with this thing, you can't defeat this thing. Kusho umholi athi lento ngeke isalungiseka, ngcono laba bantu sivele sibagcine bahlale la ngaphakathi. Do you know what message you would be sending out there to the world? You know ukuthi what damage are you causing? Ngokusho leyo nonsense leyo uthi abantu abadocument behlale la ngaphakathi befike ngendlela engekho emthethweni. You are telling me ukuthi you want to be the president of the country, but you are saying there is no hope in the border. I'm telling you, give me 5 million. Give me 5 million and see ukuthi abantu bangangena la eSouth Africa. Give me 5 million, only 5 million for food only. I will take in sizwa mina la. Sihambe siyohlala eborder for 3 months. Nobody is going to come into this country. No one will come to this country. Ngihleli lapha eborder mina. Umholi aphumele obala umholi athi sesehlulekile atshele izwe, because lento yokuthi bethi let's document these people and keep them in the country, it's because they are not even implying to these ones laba abancane abagunda inwele nani. These leaders are drug dealers, they are drug users, they are with these people abadayisa ama drugs. Empeleni, they don't mean all these Mozambican and Zimbabwean. They mean the Nigerians who are their partners in their farms where they are cooking drugs. umholi wonke athe abantu bokufika abanikezwe yamaphepha anikwe kanjani umuntu sazi ngani lo muntu ukuthi njobe ethi ungwaseZimbabwe ngowaseZimbabwe ngempela sikwazi ngani lokho sazi ngani lo muntu njoba ethi ungwase Mozambique wase-Mozambique ngempela when you are saying document these people what do you mean how are you going to verify that this person is calling himself uJonathan ngempela? That is very stupid of these leaders who are saying document these people. You have stupid leaders. They are dumb leaders with just the money from the drug cartels because they have bodyguards. I dare you. I dare your leader. Let him go alone, leave the bodyguards, let him go alone and walk lapha eHillbrow and see ukuthi abantu bakithi what do they go through every day. Let your leader tell him if he is a leader like me, I can walk and make noise there. I can walk and make noise a point. Ngicela nibacela abaholi benu nithi abashiya ama bodyguard behambe bodwa walk lapha epoint ngabo 9 ebusuku. Then we will call him a leader. Musani ukusichaphaza nini. Niyasichaphaza akho umuntu ozodocumentwa la because uHome Affairs sesizwile ukuthi 180 million wemali emoshiwe kuthathwa imishini yakwa Home Affairs kuyokwenzelwa abantu ama-ID emakhaya. Nizosikhulumela imbumba nje lapha. Sukumani bantu base South Africa, sukumani sikhona thina sizonhola. Akusiba abaholi laba bantu. They've never completed school, they've never went to the proper university. Ama qualifications abo babhalelwa ngisho ama test. That's why uthola kwamasipala umuntu kuthiwa une PhD, umuntu kuthiwa une masters, kodwa akakwazi kwenza lutho, udlulwa yimi. Engingenazo lezo zinto lezo. Ngoba yini iqinisa likho, lento athi uyiya akayona. Why nanifundela yini nanifundela? Ezonto inkabi sizolungisa lelizwe siyeze eGoli. We will barbed wire, we will razor wire the whole Hillbrow, the whole point, and we will search it. Thina sizinsizwa, we will fundraise and we will buy a lot of razor wire and a lot of barbed wire. We will come and barb wire Hillbrow, we will come and barb wire a point, and we will search it for the week. Nobody's going to come out of that place.